Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never, ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there, and remember, do it Mango. And hello everybody, welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's XRP analysis video. That's right, Ripple after a very, very long time. I do believe that the chart is beginning to look very interesting, so that's why Ripple for today. Now, for those of you who are also interested in Polkadot, I just uploaded an analysis on Polkadot. Okay, I cover USDT, primarily USDT. There's a nice trade setup on there, so definitely go ahead and check it out. I will link it above as well as in the description below. This market is full of opportunities, and well, I spotted one on DOT, so why the hell not? Damn, that rhymed. Okay, so now let's get into the Mango dashboard just to give you guys a quick overview on what I'm going to be going over today. We're first going to start off with the Mango dashboard. Okay, I want to see what XRP is telling us on the dashboard, and then we'll go over XRP USDT as well as XRP BTC. However, we will only be covering the Bitcoin pairing on the weekly time frame. Okay, the macro time frame is what we'll be looking at. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. I'm currently on the daily time frame on the Mango dashboard. Everything is green. Jesus, look at the returns on this. Nice. Okay, XRP on the list. XRP USDT did give us a bullish long trend change 10 days ago. Okay, and if you caught a trade based on this, you are currently up 26%. XRP BTC also gave us a bullish long trend change 2 days ago. And if you caught a trade on this pairing, then you are up 12.58%. The dashboard giving us the moves on a platter once again. So these are nice, these are decent moves on XRP, and I do believe that it's sort of beginning to take a turn, a much awaited turn. Okay, so now let's get into the charts because I'm going to tell you what it is that I'm looking at. So I'm currently on the Poloniex exchange because I know that Poloniex has the most price history for XRP. Okay, XRP USDT primarily. Now, what I'm looking at here, let's go ahead and actually first start off with those high-level horizontals. Okay, because this is one of the few charts that has not reached price discovery. I'm saying it like it's a good thing, and technically it is, right? When charts have not reached price discovery, it's easy to sort of, plot the next target. It's easy for us to play the ranges, because when something reaches price discovery, it's hard, right? I mean, what's the next target? How do you come up with the next target? Where does it stop? Where do we actually see resistance? And that's why charts that are still in that, sort of price range, we're able to come up with, half decent targets. So right now, the current region of resistance, okay, I do believe that price did take out, was at 62 cents for XRP. Okay, guys, I'm currently on the weekly time frame, and what is to note about this current picture is that we just closed a weekly candle, or rather, we opened a brand new weekly candle today. Okay, and if I just go ahead and zoom into this price action, you'll notice that we closed over 62 cents. Okay, in fact, if I just sort of fix my scale here, XRP actually put in a formation of sorts, right? We had a pattern. We had a very, very aggressive pickup by the bulls, okay, and that can be noted by how steep this diagonal is. Right, that was a nice trend being set in, but the bulls were picking it up very, very aggressively. This can either be looked at as an ascending triangle, and for those of you who are not familiar with patterns, ascending triangles on a technical standpoint is a bullish structure, and the probability of the break on this pattern lies to the upside. All right, now we did see a break of the neckline. Now, like I said, this neckline came in smack at that horizontal at 62 cents. If we have to go ahead and plot in a measured move of this pattern, okay, on the break, where does that take us up to? Okay, that would take XRP USDT all the way up to $1.06. And while this may look like a small range on my chart, there is nothing small ever. There's nothing that is ever small on XRP's chart. Okay, this range alone, guys, is 57%. Okay, one thing about XRP I've noticed, even in the last bull market, it is a very volatile asset. Okay, when it starts to move, it just pumps like this. Like this candle alone was 65%. This one was 35%, not including the wick. Okay, however, look at the downside too, right? When we see these volatile moves to the upside, we also see the same sort of volatility kick into the downside as well. And that's why on volatile assets, please have some level of risk management employed on your trades. Okay, now this candle to the downside was a good 49%. Okay, and this is what I mean. We'll see volatility to the upside, nice green, beautiful bullish volatility, but expect the same thing to the downside as well. All right, so be prepared. Now, if I have to just go ahead and zoom out of this again, I want you to see the confluence on this measured move that comes in at $1.06. If I go ahead and backtrack to historic price action, that also lines up with a major line of resistance back in Feb 2018. This is when the bear market had started. Right, so there is some confluence there on historic resistance. So I'll be looking at that as the next region of contention for XRP. Okay, what I think is really going to set in us actually climbing up to that region is I'm going to go ahead, plot in a range here, and mark the midpoint. Okay, and as you can see, the midpoint comes in somewhere around 81 cents. Okay, so at the very least, I'll be expecting a test of 81 cents. If price starts living over 81 cents, only then will I be expecting continuation to $1.05. All right, this is how you sort of break it down to let you know if, price is likely going to get into a consolidation of sorts. If I start seeing rejections along that 81 cent region, I'll be looking for consolidation along that region. Okay, it's only if we start breaking over 81 cents, only then will I be anticipating a further push to the upside. But so far, I think this is a bullish picture for XRP. In fact, this, guys, what happened here was very important because we took out a multi-year region of resistance. Okay, this region was 62 cents the last time price lived over 62 cents. And when I say lived over, I was looking for candle body closes. The last time we did that was only here. This was in May of 2018. May of 2018, guys. We're approaching very close to 3 years of living under this region of resistance. Okay, so what happened here was very important. So eyes peeled on XRP because this is likely going to start tipping us off on what comes next. And if I really had to place my bets on this, this is beginning to give us a turn. Okay, so XRP looking good. Next region of contention at $1.05. I also want to go ahead and put up the Ichimoku cloud. I want to see what we're doing against the cloud. Nice, finally, Jesus. Cloud is finally green on XRP, so we're starting to see that revival. We have a bullish TK cross between the Tenkin and the Kijun. Okay, and now we're seeing that 21 EMA slope up very aggressively. How about the 10? Where are we against the 10? Nice. So we have a bullish crossover setup between the 10 SMA and the 21 EMA. This is looking phenomenal so far. Okay, let's also get on over to the daily time frame. So what I'll be looking for on the daily time frame, okay, is for us to see at least 2 candle body closes over this region right here. Okay, this comes in at 63 cents. Okay, and why is that? Because if I just zoom into this price action, you'll notice that in the past we've been getting rejected off of that region. I'm going to bring it down just a slight bit to get in the wicks. Okay, so around 63 cents. And if I zoom out once again, so we saw a, price actually get resisted on that region. Not just there, we saw the same thing over here. So this is going to be an important level on the daily for us to take out. And I want you to notice, okay, every time price actually did penetrate that 63 cent region, not once did we have 2 consecutive candle body closes over that. Okay, we took it out here once, but only to lose it on the next candle. Same thing here. We took it out once, we lost it on the next candle. So on this time around, I'll be looking for 2 consecutive candle body closes over that region. So far, we only have 1. Okay, and as this candle is sort of unfolding, it appears that we may very well close this one too over 63 cents, and that is going to be our first tip-off. But so far, guys, XRP is showing us a revival. Looking very good. The volatility is about to pick up on this one. Now, let's quickly get on over to XRP BTC on the weekly time frame. And this is what I am personally seeing. While it looks like crap against Bitcoin, it is also showing us signs of revival. Okay, it is not there yet. So for those of you who are looking at the XRP BTC chart, I think it'll be prudent to note that XRP is not there yet against Bitcoin. Okay, for us to actually see signs of a bullish revival on this chart, I'll be looking for this region to be taken out. Okay, now this region comes in at 1,513 sats. That is the next region of resistance I'll be looking for price to take out. And every time I use the term takeout, I am talking about a candle body close. If we actually get a candle body close over that region, then I'll be looking at a potential double bottom being activated. Okay, that was nasty as hell. A double bottom being activated. It's very, very tiny on my chart, but a double bottom psychology nonetheless. Okay, so if we have to go ahead and plot the measured move of this, where would that take XRP up to? It would take us up to this region right here at around 2,466, which is also in line with the Tenkin and the Kijun. As soon as we start seeing a divergence of the Tenkin actually move above the Kijun, expect bullish moves from XRP BTC as well. Okay. The main region I'll be looking now for things to really turn for XRP BTC, this is going to be the most important resistance to take out. This comes in at 3,599. The last time we lived over this region was only here in June of 2019. Okay, this is the multi-year resistance that we are looking for XRP to take out. All right, I want to see those candle body closes come in over this region, telling us that, hey, this has more upside to go. Okay, but so far, I think against Bitcoin, XRP is still looking weak. We need a proper resurrection on this chart as well, just like the one we're currently seeing on XRP USDT. Okay, otherwise I will not be trading in my Bitcoin for XRP. Okay, and this is what those Bitcoin pairings really tell you, right? Is it worth trading in your Bitcoin for the underlying altcoin that you're looking at? And that answer will essentially be given to you on those Bitcoin pairings. And so far, XRP is telling me, hey, listen, hold on to your Bitcoin. We're not there just yet. Okay, now this is all I have for you. You guys have my targets. I think XRP is looking good at the very least. I think we're clear for 81 cents. Okay, I want to see where this daily closes. We close over 63 cents on the daily. Up we go. And yep, this is all I have for you for XRP. With this, guys, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao.